जय महेश, मेरा नाम आशीष डालिया है. The entire purpose of recording this video and sharing with you is to let you know the concept of BISCON. BISCON is an initiative by Mahesh Industrial Group. The entire objective of BISCON is to connect, create and collaborate with Maheshwari industrialists, with Maheshwari business owners and with Maheshwari business leaders across. BISCON is a brainchild, is an initiative by Mahesh Industrial Group Pune. Mahesh Industrial Group Pune had been operational and functional for almost 4 decades now. We are a strong team of 140 plus Maheshwari industrialists from Pune who are a part of Mahesh Industrial Group. Mahesh Industrial Group always ensure that we create some kind of an initiatives which are very relevant to Maheshwari community, to Maheshwari industrialists, and BISCON happens to be one of them. So BISCON was formed in year 2015 and we had one very successful event in Pune. It was attended by over 550-600 Maheshwari industrialists from different parts of the India and even across the globe. Looking at this success, then 2017 we hosted up this event in Surat. We were well appreciated in Surat as well, where 600 other people and at the same time 10-15 different business leaders from Maheshwari community came and shared their ideas, their views and started touching on different topics which are very relevant to grow the businesses. Last season of the BISCON was hosted up in Hyderabad, again a grand and a huge success. So the purpose here is comes here is why is this video? This video is to let you know under the initiative of BISCON, we always ensure to bring out something which is very value worth, which can really contribute to the businesses of Maheshwari brothers and sisters. We also want to create an ecosystem of the startup culture in Maheshwari community so that we can always make funds available and we can give you platform so that startups can come and pitch out their ideas to the people. So BISCON, an initiative by Mahesh Industrial Group, always looks out for new initiatives to ensure that we all Maheshwaris are intact with your businesses. We don't get disrupted. We don't get flushed out in this competitive world, and COVID, Corona breakdown is a real threat and a real challenge. So here comes an opportunity for an initiative like BISCON to host another event so that we can share with you what other Maheshwari industrialists across the globe are trying to do differently. We will shortly announce in front of you a new initiative by BISCON. Probably it will be a virtual version of the BISCON, wherein we will discuss upon latest innovation which are required to be done in the businesses. How can you grab an opportunities of the companies which are now planning to set up the operations in India? As we had been hearing, lot of Chinese companies now lot of companies who had a setup in China now want to come and set up the base in India. So we also we will be discussing over here how this kind of an opportunities can be encashed. We'll also discuss about how branding, marketing, online marketing is going to play important and critical role in terms of cutting down on your marketing cost. We'll also be discussing here about how industries now will start optimizing their cost but doubling up their production. What innovations are required at supply chain level? What innovations are required at a retail level? So guys, keep tuned in to the channel. We will keep sharing with you all latest innovation, ideas and initiatives under the platform of BISCON. Thank you. Signing off. Jai Mahesh, Ashish Dalia.